Daily Pay App Review 2025. Is it the best way to get paid early? You won't believe how payroll apps have transformed in 2025. Daily Pay promises instant access to earn wages, flexible transfers, and seamless integration with employers. But is it really the best way to get paid early? The surprising truth is financial flexibility. Most people get this wrong by thinking early pay services are only for emergencies. Daily Pay allows workers to access earned income before payday, helping manage bills, unexpected expenses, or even investment opportunities without waiting for a traditional paycheck. One major advantage is speed and convenience. You won't believe what happens next when you see wages deposited instantly to a linked bank account, debit card, or PayPal. There are no complicated requests, just a few taps in the app to access your earnings. The app also offers budgeting tools and spending insights. Users can track income, manage expenses, and plan ahead, making it more than just an early pay tool. Integration with payroll systems ensures accurate calculations and reduces errors compared to manual advances. However, there are cons. Transaction fees can apply depending on how quickly you want to access funds. Not all employers participate, so availability is limited. Overusing early wage access may encourage dependency if not managed responsibly. In conclusion, the Daily Pay app in 2025 is a practical solution for workers seeking flexibility, instant access to earned wages, and helpful financial tracking tools. While fees and employer availability are factors to consider, it offers a legitimate, convenient way to manage cash flow and navigate expenses before payday.